Hey, welcome to Fretboard Fridays. I'm Dev. I've been playing the guitar seriously for over 3.5 decades, and I want to help you improve. On these Friday quick lessons, I go over like a quick little fretboard pattern that you can apply immediately to your playing. I call this one the other minor pentatonic. I was playing there in D minor. I'm going to use my freezer pedal, just kind of hold that chord out. Most people, when they're going in D minor, they might do the D minor pentatonic. It's a sound with which we're all familiar, and it works great. You know, there's a reason for that. I call this the other minor pentatonic because I use it all the time. It's 5 notes, but it's even simpler in that it's 2 very, very basic fingerings. I'm going to I'm going to start with it in the 10th position, same place it would be if I was using the minor pentatonic. So these are the 3 notes in the simplest fingering on one string. A full step and a half step. And then the other finger is just a half step. And if you're playing, that's the shape for this entire pentatonic. And then we just kind of play that, and then we just play its octaves. You're seeing there that I like to bend the lower note of the half steps. It always works out really nicely. So while those 2 fingerings, the whole step and the half step and just a single half step, work great in this pattern, we can also take that and just move the root from the low E and move that down to the A string. Continue that exact same pattern, except I'm going to use the half steps on the same fret as the root, but on this lower string. So it's still a half step here, and this 3-note pattern on this string. It works great. It opens up the fretboard wonderfully for you if you're comfortable doing octaves. Let's do that in B minor. Get a different feel for it somewhere. So you saw there, another thing that is really helpful about this is the higher of the 2 notes. Every time you've got a half step, a full step bend out of those will also work if you're on top of the tonic minor. Real simple, awesome way to kind of open up the fretboard for you if you're not familiar with it.